My name is Monica Macovei. I come from Romania. I'm in the European Parliament, a full member of the Committee on Civil Liberties and Justice and Home Affairs, also member of the Committee on Budgetary Control, and also on the Committee on specialized Committee on Organized Crime, fight against corruption, money laundering, tax evasion. I'm also the chair of the EP delegation to the Parliamentary Cooperation Committee with the Republic of Moldova. For the past 5 years, I really enjoyed working with Milan. Last month, for instance, I was the EPP rapporteur on the report on the evaluation of justice and the rule of law in the member states. My goal was to promote the establishment of a mechanism to evaluate criminal justice at the European level. And I was really glad to find in Milan a strong EPP supporter of such a mechanism. What I like in particular in Milan are his professionalism, his kindness, his commitment. I would say heart and soul that Milan is a great asset for Slovenia and the EPP, and I hope to see him and work with him in the European Parliament again. So, I wish him success in the following elections, and I encourage you all to vote with my friend Milan Zver.